BAR US Corp. is a global design, manufacturing, and service company of engineered splice solutions for the heavy construction industry. BAR US SimGrip system is a mechanical coupler comprised of a steel sleeve, which is internally threaded with a single right-hand thread. The ends of bars are upset and threaded. The SimGrip family of upset parallel thread mechanical couplers requires a BAR US cold upset press and a tangential rebar threading machine. Under the BAR US Quality Assurance Program, codes are stamped on all of our mechanical couplers. These codes allow the couplers to be traced back to the original lot of steel and the mill which produced it. Certified Material Test Reports, CMTR, are archived for future use as required. Tracing code includes coupler diameter and production date to allow users to trace back to the original lot of steel. The SimGrip family of upset parallel thread mechanical couplers requires a BAR US cold upset press and a tangential rebar threading machine. To better suit the couplers, the deformed high-yield carbon reinforcing bar ends are enlarged to a predetermined size with a cold-forming press before cut or roll threading. Cut end square. Rebar end enlarged by cold forging with BAR US cold forging press designed and manufactured for this purpose. Rebar end is cut threaded by BAR US bench threading machine designed and manufactured for this purpose. This method proves a larger diameter of rebar for threading. Rebar ends enlarged and threaded by BAR US have no loss of cross-sectional areas. BAR US quality control and quality assurance systems provide sustainable quality for engineering, products, and services. Full tension splice, bar break under tensile tests. Parallel thread couplers are available in 4 types. SimGrip Standard. The SimGrip system is used in applications where the continuation bar can be rotated freely and is comprised of an internally threaded coupler with a single right-hand thread. The ends of the bars are upset and threaded for half the length of the coupler. Remove the plastic caps from the coupler and rebar. Screw the coupler onto the fixed bar until it hits the end of the threading and locks tight. The bar end should be centered within the coupler. Attach the continuation bar into the coupler and rotate as far as the continuation bar will turn. Inspection of the coupler assembly is visual. For proper installation and tolerances, instructions provided in BAR US method statement should be followed carefully. SimGrip LT. The SimGrip LT system is used in applications where it is more difficult to rotate the continuation bar. It is comprised of the same coupler as the SimGrip system, however, one bar is threaded for a full coupler length. Remove the BAR US concrete spacer plug and rebar thread protector. Remove the plastic caps from the coupler and rebar. Attach the continuation bar into the coupler and rotate as far as the continuation bar will turn. Inspection of the coupler assembly is visual. For proper installation and tolerances, instructions provided in BAR US method statement should be followed carefully. SimGrip PS. The SimGrip PS system is a position-type coupler and is used where the continuation bar cannot be rotated and therefore includes an additional lock nut. The continuation bar is threaded for the full coupler length plus the length of the lock nut. Attach the lock nut, then the coupler to continuation bar with the coupler against the end of the first bar. Screw the coupler from the continuation bar and rotate until it hits the end of the threading on the opposing bar and locks tight. Hold the bent rebar in its required orientation and tighten the lock nut against the coupler with a wrench. Inspection of the coupler assembly is visual. For proper installation and tolerances, instructions provided in BAR US method statement should be followed carefully. SimGrip TS. The SimGrip TS system is used to splice to rebars of different diameter. Screw the coupler onto the fixed bar until it hits the end of the threading and locks tight. The bar end should be centered within the coupler. Attach the continuation bar into the coupler and rotate as far as the continuation bar will turn. Tighten the joint using a wrench on the continuation bar. Inspection of the coupler assembly is visual. For proper installation and tolerances, instructions provided in BAR US method statement should be followed carefully. The SimGrip weldable and bolt-on are similar to the SimGrip standard coupler, however only half of one end is internally threaded and the other end is prepared for welding. These couplers are machined from weldable grades of material depending on rebar size to conform to ASME Section 3 Division 2. SimGrip couplers are used to unite rebars to a metal object through an 8.8 heavy-duty bolt. Contact us at www.bar-us.com or email to info@bar-us.com.